This is a powered adapter. This is useful for controlling the amount of power that enters your devices. They usually come in many sizes. This one's much bigger. Now I want to test if this adapter will work. And on the label, it says 12 volts. So we're gonna give it some power. And using our multimeter, the red one, in the hole, like so. And we're gonna get our ground. And we're just gonna put it on top, just like this. And as you can see on the multimeter, 12 volts. So we know that this power adapter works.